Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the future with a full 2025 guide on how to use teamwork.com to plan and execute virtual fundraisers. First things first, you need to create a new project on teamwork.com. This is where you'll organize all your fundraiser tasks, resources, and deadlines. The reason we do this first is to establish a clear workspace for your team to collaborate. Now that we've done that, it's time to invite your team members. This can be done within the People tab and clicking Invite Users. A well-structured team is the backbone of any successful fundraiser, and teamwork.com makes it easy to involve everyone. Next up, start adding tasks. You can do this under the Tasks tab. Be sure to assign each task to the appropriate team member, add deadlines, and describe the task in detail. This helps us because it ensures that everyone knows their role and deadlines, and it keeps the team focused and on track. Now let's talk about communication. Within each task, you have the option to add comments and attach files. These communication tools are vital for keeping everyone updated and ensuring that all relevant information is easily accessible. Let me explain why this matters. It prevents miscommunication and guarantees that everyone is on the same page. Finally, keep track of your progress using the dashboard. This gives you a quick overview of the project's status, who's working on what, and how close you are to your fundraising goal. It's important because it allows you to easily monitor progress and make necessary adjustments. And there you have it, an effective way to use teamwork.com to plan and execute your virtual fundraisers. Remember, the key is to be organized, communicate clearly, and track your progress. Follow these steps, and your virtual fundraiser is bound to be a success. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy fundraising.